Hello everyone, David here back again with another Shuffle tutorial series, and today we'll be looking at liquid formatting within Shuffle. Okay, so to start we'll be just using time functions within Liquid, and yeah, let's start dragging our first node, paste this right here. Okay, so what this is a liquid function, which means take the time right now, convert the time into Unix time, and then add another 86,400 seconds, which just basically means another 24 hours. And let's run this and see what the result that we get. Okay, so we get the results in Unix time. Basically, what this result means is just the number of seconds since 1st January 1970. And yeah, the execution ran successfully, and we got our results back. So before you write a liquid function, you'll have to open two curly braces and then close them after writing the function. That's just basically the format of writing liquid within Shuffle, so that the Shuffle system knows to interpret this as liquid. Okay, so let's drag in our next Shuffle tools app. What we'll do in this node is we'll convert the epoch time that we got from this first node into the conventional date time format. Okay, so we'll be utilizing Python in order to convert that. Let's just pop up the code editor by pressing on this, and let's paste in our script that we wrote before that. Let's just get it, copy, come in here, paste. Okay, so we indicate that we want to run Python by writing the first line that we wrote here, and we'll end that Python script by just indicating that we end Python within the curly braces and the percentages. Okay, so in our function we just import date time, then create a variable for the epoch time, which reads back to the Shuffle tools app to the function that we drain in here by using the $sign and that, and then yeah, we just convert that into the conventional date time. Okay, let's run this and see what we get. Good running. Okay, so our execution ran successfully, and this is what we got. Given epoch time, this, if you convert it to date time, you'll get this. Basically, what we did in the previous node is we took the time right now and added another 24 hours, but the result was to be relayed back to us in epoch time. And here we just converted it into the conventional date time format, and this is what we get. Okay, all right. Moving along, we'll just use Liquid in a basic use case that we want. Okay, so we'll just take our Outlook app, drag it in our workspace. Once that is done, let's just click on it. Now, as you can see, we had already pre-authenticated our login credentials. The action that we want to use is to get emails one. Okay, so we select that. The folder name, we want the inbox folder. That's where we will get our message from. Let's just get one email. Unread can be true, can be false, depending on whether you want a read or an unread email. Let's include the row body. Let's set that as true, and let's run this and see. Okay. So as you can see here, our execution ran successfully. Let's just click on it and peruse the JSON that we get. Okay, yeah, you can see the subject here is I'd like to connect. Let's just copy that. Let's drag in our Jira app into our workspace. Yeah, once that is done, connect our Outlook app to our Jira node right here. So in this direction connection here is where we want to edit the condition using Liquid. A new condition. So as stated earlier, in order for Shuffle to interpret something as Liquid, we need the two opening curly braces. Let's just edit that. This is what I copied initially. So from the Outlook app, get the messages, and let's just complete our Liquid function. Get the size, and then let's just close this function. Okay. So from the Outlook app, get the message. If the size is larger than 0, then continue with the execution. Okay. Basically, what this means is that we just don't want to create empty tickets within Jira. Okay. Once that is done, let's just go and fill our parameters for Jira. As you can see, I just selected the authentication that we had pre-filled already. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to create an issue on Jira. For the headers, I think the headers are a bit more, so we'll have to edit this a bit. Let's get rid of this, no check. Okay, let's enter. For the authorization, I also don't think we need this, so we can just do away with it. Okay, done. So for the body, we'll have to edit this. Let's just input the subject for the email that we got previously. So this is just go Outlook, go to Outlook, scroll within the directory, select the messages, loop through, get the header, and then the subject header. Okay, so let's just mark that as done, and let's rerun this execution and see. So as you can see here, our execution ran successfully. Let's see, we get back an issue ID and a key for that, and we get the link to that. Let's go into Jira and see whether an issue was created. As you can see here, I'd like to connect was our subject header, and yeah, you can see basically it was created 33 seconds ago, and yeah, that's just a basic use case of how you can implement Liquid as a condition within Shuffle. Okay, all right.